Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best iPads that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The iPad Air M2 13-inch is a high-performance tablet that combines a larger display with the power of the M2 chip, making it a versatile choice for both casual users and professionals. Its impressive 13-inch liquid retina display, with a resolution of 2048 by 2732 pixels, offers vibrant colors, true tone technology, and ultra-low reflectivity, ensuring excellent visual quality. With a brightness of up to 600 nits and P3 wide color support, it is ideal for both media consumption and creative tasks. Powered by the Apple M2 chipset, the iPad Air features an octa-core CPU with 4 performance and 4 efficiency cores and a 10-core Apple GPU, delivering powerful performance for multitasking, graphic-intensive applications, and productivity tasks. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and offers a range of storage options from 128 GB to 1 TB, providing ample space for apps, files, and media. The camera system includes a 12-megapixel wide rear camera with true tone flash and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with a 122 degrees field of view and center stage, perfect for video calls. It supports 4K video recording at various frame rates. For connectivity, it features Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and optional 5G support, alongside a USB-C port for fast charging and data transfer. With up to 11 hours of battery life, iPadOS 17, and compatibility with accessories like the Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard, the iPad Air M2 is designed for users who seek both productivity and entertainment. Its combination of powerful hardware, a large display, and advanced features makes it a standout choice for those who demand high performance in a portable package. The iPad 10th generation represents a substantial upgrade in both design and functionality, delivering a sleek modern look and powerful performance. Equipped with the A15 Bionic chip, it offers enhanced speed and efficiency, making it ideal for casual users, students, and professionals alike. The A14 chip features a hexa-core CPU and quad-core GPU, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient handling of demanding apps, along with a 16-core neural engine for advanced machine learning tasks. This iPad features a 10.9-inch liquid retina display with a resolution of 2360 by 1640 pixels and up to 500 nits of brightness. The True Tone technology adjusts the screen's color temperature for a more comfortable viewing experience in various lighting conditions. Available in 2 storage options, 64 GB and 256 GB, with 4 GB of RAM, it provides flexibility for different user needs. The camera system includes a 12-megapixel rear-wide camera that supports 4K video recording and Smart HDR, while the 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage ensures dynamic video calls by keeping users in focus. Its battery offers up to 10 hours of usage on Wi-Fi or 9 hours on cellular data. The iPad supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, and it's the first iPad to feature a USB-C port for faster data transfer and connectivity to 4K external displays. With support for the Apple Pencil 1st generation and Magic Keyboard Folio, the iPad 10th generation is perfect for creativity, productivity, and entertainment. Touch ID is integrated into the top button for secure unlocking and payments, while stereo speakers deliver immersive sound, making this iPad a versatile and powerful tool for work and play. The iPad mini 6th generation, powered by the A15 Bionic chip, is a compact yet powerful tablet designed for portability and performance. Its 8.3-inch liquid retina display with a resolution of 1488 by 2266 pixels delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors, making it ideal for a range of activities, from casual browsing to more demanding tasks. The display supports True Tone technology, which adjusts the white balance based on ambient lighting, reducing eye strain, while the DCI-P3 color space ensures rich and accurate color reproduction. At its core, the iPad mini is driven by the A15 Bionic chip, featuring a 6-core CPU, 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, and a 4-core Apple GPU, delivering fast and efficient performance. With 4 GB of RAM and storage options of 64 GB or 256 GB, it's capable of handling multitasking, gaming, and productivity applications with ease. The tablet is equipped with a 12-megapixel rear camera that supports HDR and 4K video recording, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera, making it ideal for video calls and selfies. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 12 hours of video playback and fast charging capabilities via USB-C. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, and optional cellular support with eSIM and nano SIM slots. It also supports the second-generation Apple Pencil, enhancing its functionality for drawing and note-taking. With iPadOS 15 and Touch ID for secure authentication, the iPad mini is a versatile and highly portable device that offers a powerful combination of performance and convenience for users on the go. The iPad Pro M4 13-inch is a cutting-edge tablet that pushes the boundaries of performance and display technology, making it ideal for both creative professionals and power users. Featuring the Apple M4 chip, this model offers unparalleled speed and efficiency, enabling users to tackle demanding tasks such as video editing, 3D modeling, and photo manipulation with ease. The M4 chip includes a 9-core CPU, with up to 10 cores in higher storage models, and a 10-core GPU, ensuring exceptional performance for both productivity and gaming. Available with 8 GB RAM for lower storage options, 256 GB and 512 GB, and up to 16 GB RAM for higher capacities, 1 TB and 2 TB. The tablet comes equipped with a 13-inch Ultra Retina XDR display that uses tandem OLED technology. It offers a resolution of 2752 by 2064 pixels at 264 ppi and supports peak brightness levels of up to 1600 nits for HDR content, providing stunning visuals. The ProMotion technology allows for adaptive refresh rates between 10 Hz and 120 Hz, making scrolling and animations incredibly smooth. Camera-wise, the tablet features a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage, which keeps users in the frame during video calls, and a 12-megapixel wide rear camera with a LiDAR scanner for enhanced augmented reality experiences. Video recording in 4K, along with ProRes support, further enhances its creative capabilities. For connectivity, the tablet supports Wi-Fi 6E, optional 5G, and includes a Thunderbolt USB 4 port, offering fast data transfers and the ability to connect to external displays. Battery life extends up to 10 hours, making it reliable for all-day use. Running on iPadOS 17, the device supports multitasking features like Stage Manager and is compatible with accessories like the Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard. These features, combined with Face ID for secure unlocking and Thunderbolt 4 for external connections, make the iPad Pro M4 a powerful, versatile tablet that excels in both professional and everyday tasks. The iPad 9th generation is a versatile and affordable tablet that offers a blend of performance, functionality, and ease of use, making it suitable for a variety of users. Powered by the A15 Bionic chip, it delivers significant performance improvements, making it up to 3 times faster than popular Chromebooks and 6 times faster than leading Android tablets. The A13 chip's neural engine also enhances machine learning capabilities for a smoother and smarter user experience. The iPad features a 10.2-inch Retina display with a resolution of 2160 by 1620 pixels, offering vibrant colors and sharp details. The True Tone technology adjusts the screen's color temperature based on ambient lighting, providing comfortable viewing in different environments. Its camera setup includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage, which automatically keeps users in focus during video calls, and an 8-megapixel rear camera for high-quality photos and videos. Available in 2 storage options, 64 GB and 256 GB, the iPad is perfect for both light and heavy users. It offers a solid 10-hour battery life, supporting long hours of web browsing or video playback. The tablet supports the Apple Pencil first generation and Smart Keyboard, making it a productive tool for drawing or typing. With Touch ID for secure access and iPadOS 15's multitasking features, the Apple iPad 9th generation delivers a well-rounded experience for work, play, and creativity.